Hello guys, how are you doing today? Yeah, I've been receiving some messages. Some people have been asking me, how do you represent contractors' activity on the Gantt? How do you change the color of a subcontractor activities on the Gantt chart? So it shows the color. So when the project managers look at it, they can easily see from the Gantt, which activities belongs to the, different contractors. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's jump into it. So now I've got this small project, a mini project that we can use as an example. So you've got these activities, and I've deliberately moved the finish date out so that all shows green. So now the first thing you need to do is to create the user defined field. So you create a user defined field for different contractors, or another way to do it, which I would like actually use now, is to use an activity code. So let's create an activity code for the subcontractors. So I'll use two subcontractors at the moment. So yeah, let's go there. So activity code. Yeah, so the project does not go on activity code. So you click on modify, then you click on add. So I'll name it contractors. So if it depends on the number of the length of the subcontractor you want to use. So you can change the length here if you want. So I'll go ahead and just close this. So when you've closed it, so you've got the subcontractor here. So you can add the number of subcontractors you want. So for example, let's say we've got 4 different subcontractors. Okay, so here we say contractor A. So I'll represent that as an A. Then this B, contractor B. Let me just copy that. Then the next one, C, contractor C. Then the last one, D, contractor D. Okay, so when you do that, so the next thing you need to do is to add the activity code on different activity. So you can bring a column out. So here, so it will be under your project code. So you can drag this out, or simply click the arrow. Okay, so apply and press OK. So now I've got that column here. So let's say for example, this first activity is for contractor here. So you just filter by all values. Then you can put contractor here. Let's say contractor here is also doing this and this. So you can fill down. So let's say contractor C or contractor B has got that, and contractor C has got that. Another way you can add your activity code is by right clicking. When you right click, you can assign activity code. Okay, so to give you all the activity code you've got on your project, but this is a project activity code, don't forget. So click on project, it gives you all the project activity codes. So you can just double click on that, or you can just use the plus button. Okay, so let's say contractor B is also coming back to do the system approval. So you've got that against each of those contractors. So the next thing you need to do is to right click on your Gantt area, then you bring up bar. So you click on bar, then you go to your last bar, add. So here, so I want to say contractor A. So here you leave it as current bar. Okay, the next thing to do is to go to this all activity. So this is where you create your filter. Okay, if you've not created it before, so you need to create your filter here. Click on modify, or click on new filter, contractor here, contractor A. Then here you select the user defined field that you've created. So let's say contractors is under A. Okay, then click on apply. When you click on OK, so you can change the color. So what color do you want to see here? So let's say I want to see this pink color. So when you look at what happened to your Gantt area, so when you click on apply, all activities that we've identified as contractor A has got that color. And also you can repeat the same thing, and let's add another one, contractor B, current. So you can actually go to what we've created before. Let me just create a new one. Yeah, so you can see on contractor here, so you can copy and paste that. So just modify, so you can name that as contractor B. Contractor is under B. Okay, see, make sure you tick on it, then apply, then come back here and change the color. I'll use yellow. If I apply that, so it's only one activity that will go for contractor B, so that's why that's showing. So you can do that for the remaining one. So let's try another one again. So go back, you had contractor C, you do the same thing, new, contractor C, then come here, click on contractors, it's under C. Okay, make sure it's ticked, apply. Okay, then what color do we want to give contractor C? Let's give it maybe brown. Okay, apply. If you look at that, you've got that on contractor C. Also, let's do the last one. I think you should be able to do that now. Let's see if we arrive at the same answer. Contractor D. Okay, so let's go again, create the filter, click new filter, contractor D. So our parameter, that's contractors, is under D. Okay, then you apply. Okay, what color should we give that? So you can give that deep green, so you can apply. Boom. Good. As you can see, so we've got that. So this is legible. So when your project manager wants to see that in your program, easy, that's what you do. Okay, so see you on the next one.